Hey guys, this is India Trading Academy. Welcome to the weekly update. My name is Dev. हम यहाँ पर Nifty analyze करते हैं weekly update में. So let's get started. So if you are following us for a couple of weeks, nothing has happened new. This is expected, right? What we have discussed in previous weeks that this is a pulsing move. This is an impulsive move. So at some point क्या होगा, इस move को अपने आप को correct करना पड़ेगा, चाहे वो आज करे, कल करे या कभी करे. Every impulsive move has to correct itself, and this is your free lesson right there. Okay, so this is not a crash. If you are understanding this as a crash, let me make something clear over that. This is a part of correction. Crash is something different than correction. Crash and correction में फर्क होता है. Alright, 200 पॉइंट नीचे, 250 पॉइंट नीचे, it has no value in terms of the structure, the pattern in the market. Why? I can actually prove you that. So this is at 200 points, almost down. Many people got scared of it. I received tons of message regarding the portfolio and all that. But this is nothing. Look at over here actually. So this is your a day, and this is also a day. Almost 200, 300 point. If you want to calculate accurately, let's calculate that. So you see, 200 points. Okay, what's the point for today? 221. Any difference? Not at all. What happens after that? You got another impulse in a different direction, right? यहाँ पर अगर आप इसे crash बोलेंगे और will hope कि market crash करेगा, what happened to your position? You got lost so much money over there if you have shorted. So come back to this topic now. Is this a crash? Not at all. Is this expected? Of course. Does it scare you? It should not scare you, right? उससे डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, बल्कि how can you take advantage of that, right? From last week, जैसा मैंने कहा था, मैं इस मार्केट में weakness ढूंढ रहा हूँ. Once I got the weakness, I got some trade in short, I got some trade in long also. पर long में मेरी trade के points कम थे, short में मेरे trade के points ज़्यादा थे. This is nothing new. We have already discussed it. Okay, I have already applied the fib over there. Now just remember one thing, these line has no value in terms of the structure it's going to create. So what's the scene for this week? ये हमने यहाँ पे आज discuss करना है, not for the previous things which has already happened in the market. This is your first move to the downside. अगर आप short में नहीं हो तो आपने यहाँ पे short का confirmation का फिर wait करना है. अगर ये move यहाँ तक आने वाला है, how can you get advantage of that? आपको उसे lower time frame पर read करना होगा. Any corrective structure, any trend continuation pattern for the downside, we can execute ourselves. पर उसके लिए right now यहाँ पर अभी कोई confirmation नहीं. But trust me, if that is gonna come, I would be the first one to know that, and I'm gonna take advantage of that because that's what we do every day. You guys already know that. We can trade it up, we can trade it down, regardless if someone says anything. So the scene is this for this week. Okay, I mean, come on, literally we draw this thing for you guys exactly the way this has been executed. You can check out again if you're watching it first time, the last week weekly update. Okay, so now we would be looking for short if we find any trend continuation pattern on a lower time frame. पर अगर मुझे कोई भी सिग्नल मिलता है रिवर्सल का, and if you guys know the reversal pattern also, you can take the trade for short term. आपने short term की trade अब execute करनी for couple of months. Only two possibilities. It depends कि मंडे को हम किस position पर open करते हैं. अगर हम at the same spot open करते हैं और we किसी तरह का corrective structure बनाते हैं, for downside we will be taking the downtrend. But any reversal signal we get, we can take the short term buys, but not so much. Okay, and because already down move has been started, so down move में भी ज़्यादा कुछ बचा नहीं है. अगर reversal आता है तो जो upside होगा, since this is a corrective structure, so be careful and take the short term trades. So that's the view on Nifty from India Trading Academy. If you have any strategy, maybe you can take advantage of that. Alright, and guys, if you want to learn all the structure, all the patterns we know in the market, if you're looking for the best trading course in the industry, maybe this is something which you can take advantage from. Okay, if you are a beginner, you don't have to waste your time doing multiple level of the courses. You just need to do one course, and you can choose to do that in group session or a special one-on-one for which will be designed for you only. That's totally up to you. and we literally cover everything we know in that single course. Each and every detail is available on the website. So I guess this was the enough promotion for the course. If you guys interested, just log on to indiatradingacademy.com. I will be seeing you next time. This is India Trading Academy signing off. Thank you so much.